I have one right here. This is what it looks like. It has 5 terminals on the bottom side of it. It has a positive terminal, a negative terminal, a normally closed terminal, a normally open terminal, and a common terminal. Now I have a setup down here where I have my power supply, which is just a 9-volt battery, and the positive supply goes to this yellow jumper wire here. And at the other end of this yellow jumper wire, I'm going to place it onto the common pin of the switch. So I have this yellow jumper, or the wire, to the common of the button or the switch. And now if we look here on the board, I have a red jumper wire that goes to the positive rail of the breadboard, and I have a red jumper here where its probe is connected to this red jumper wire to the breadboard. And at the other end of this jumper wire, I'm going to place it onto the positive terminal of the button or the switch. And then also at this red jumper wire from the breadboard, I have a blue jumper wire where the probe is connected to this red jumper wire. And at the other end of the blue jumper, I'm going to connect it to the normally closed, the normally open pin. I've connected the other end of the blue to the normally open pin, and the reason why I have it on the normally open pin of the switch is because this type of switch here has this ring around it, and this ring lights up when you press down on the button, and I want it to stay off like it is right now when you're not pressing it, and I want this ring light to turn on when the button is pressed down. So that's why I've placed this blue wire that goes to this red jumper wire for the positive power supply. That's why I've placed it here into the normally open position, or the normally open terminal. Now I have from my red jumper wire to the positive rail, or the positive supply of the breadboard, I have this orange jumper wire here that's in line with the anode of the LED, and the cathode of the LED is in line with this resistor here that goes to ground, or the negative supply to the battery. But you can see that I have this green probe here, and I have it attached to this negative side leg of the resistor. It's just the ground. So I have this green jumper at ground, and I'm going to attach the other end of the jumper to the ground terminal of the switch. Oops. Like so. So now, if I press down on the switch, the green light lights up on the switch itself, and the red LED comes on when I press down on it. And it shuts off when I release it. So on, both the light on the switch comes on and the red LED comes on. I let go of the button, and both the light on the switch and the red LED is off. On, off, on, off.